Hi, today we're going to talk about reusable gaskets. In our business we use a lot of gaskets, being a compressed air parts supplier. And this particular type of gasket, which is a carbon material, you can really only use once. Once you've used it once, that's kind of the condition it ends up in. So that led us on to a project where we started to 3D design our own gaskets. What we did first of all is we 3D printed this in just a PLA material. It can't be used as a gasket, as you can see. Then we found a material that we can actually use as a reusable gasket. It's high temperature and it can be used many times. So at the point of making this video, we've actually made this gasket, which is this one, that has actually been used 9 times repeatedly. It's still good and it's going to be used many times more, maybe even up to 20 times before it is useless. But what it's showing is that for a relatively low cost you can make your own gaskets, or we can make them for you. So if you've got a process where you need to change the gasket many times, we can 3D design it, get it printed in this special material, and you can use this gasket over and over again. Now what you can see on the table is that we've got quite a number of gaskets in different shapes. Basically, as long as we've got something from yourselves as the original, we can recreate that gasket in SolidWorks, AutoCAD, and then 3D print it. But I think you'll agree, these things that are like sort of £14–15 each, and these things that are half the price, is far more useful. One more look at it. The gasket, like I said, this one's been on 9 times, it's been in quite high temperatures, and it's working very well. So I would think we're probably the first to do this, and if we can help you, you can contact us at ztechnique.com or email me at sales@airhire.co.uk. Thank you for watching.